If you're following our Global Economic Outlook series, hit subscribe to stay updated with new country releases. Vietnam enters 2026 with an economic profile defined by productivity resilience, structural efficiency, and sustained momentum despite global uncertainty. The period from 2025 to 2026 reflects an economy that continues to optimize output through manufacturing strength, export competitiveness, labor utilization, and macroeconomic stability. The concept of a productive economy in Vietnam is anchored in its ability to convert investment, labor, and policy coordination into consistent growth while maintaining cost, discipline, and competitiveness across sectors. The GDP annual growth rate illustrates this productivity trend. Vietnam recorded growth of approximately 5.8% in 2025, rebounding from earlier global slowdowns and signaling a return to a higher efficiency growth path. For 2026, growth is projected to improve toward the 6.3% range as industrial output, electronics manufacturing, and export processing regain strength. This pace reflects not only cyclical recovery but also structural productivity gains from supply chain integration, logistics upgrades, and manufacturing specialization. Growth is increasingly driven by value-added activities rather than volume expansion alone, reinforcing productivity rather than overheating. Labor efficiency is another pillar of Vietnam's productive economic outlook. The unemployment rate remained low at around 2.3% in 2025, reflecting high labor absorption capacity across manufacturing, services, and construction. This low unemployment rate is expected to remain broadly stable in 2026, supported by strong labor demand in export-oriented industries, foreign-invested enterprises, and domestic infrastructure projects. Productivity gains are evident as employment growth remains moderate, while output continues to expand, indicating improved output per worker rather than labor-intensive expansion. Monetary conditions support productivity without encouraging excess risk. Vietnam's policy interest rate stood near 4.5% during 2025, providing a supportive environment for business financing while maintaining monetary discipline. This rate level is expected to remain largely unchanged in 2026 as inflation pressures ease and growth stabilizes. Stable interest rates allow firms to plan capital expenditures efficiently, particularly in machinery, automation, and logistics. Credit growth remains focused on productive sectors rather than speculative activities, reinforcing capital efficiency and sustainable expansion. Inflation dynamics further highlight Vietnam's productive balance. Inflation moderated to around 3.2% in 2025, reflecting effective price management, stable food supply chains, and controlled energy costs. For 2026, inflation is expected to remain within a manageable range near 3.5%, aligning with income growth and preserving purchasing power. Moderate inflation supports productivity by preventing cost distortions while allowing firms to maintain pricing stability. This environment encourages long-term investment decisions rather than short-term defensive pricing behavior. Fiscal discipline also contributes to productivity. Vietnam's debt-to-GDP ratio remained near 38% in 2025, one of the lower levels among emerging economies. This relatively modest debt burden provides fiscal space without undermining confidence. In 2026, the ratio is expected to remain broadly stable as growth outpaces new borrowing. Low public debt allows the government to focus spending on productivity-enhancing areas such as transport infrastructure, digital systems, education, and industrial zones, rather than debt servicing. This allocation improves long-term output efficiency rather than short-term stimulus effects. Manufacturing remains the core engine of Vietnam's productive economy. Electronics, textiles, machinery, and consumer goods continue to benefit from supply chain diversification trends and foreign direct investment inflows. Productivity improvements are visible through higher export value per unit, increased automation and integration into higher value segments of global production networks. Rather than competing purely on low labor costs, Vietnam increasingly competes on reliability, scale, and operational efficiency, which strengthens productivity, sustainability into 2026. The services sector also contributes meaningfully to productivity gains. Logistics, finance, tourism, and digital services expanded steadily in 2025 and are expected to accelerate in 2026. Improvements in port efficiency, customs processing, and digital payments reduce transaction costs and enhance economy-wide productivity. Financial services continue to support small and medium enterprises with improved credit access, fostering more efficient capital allocation across industries. Domestic demand complements export-driven productivity. Household consumption remains resilient, supported by stable employment and moderate inflation. While consumption growth is not excessive, it provides a steady base for businesses to optimize capacity utilization. This balance between domestic and external demand reduces volatility and allows firms to operate closer to optimal efficiency levels rather than reacting to sharp demand swings. Investment patterns further reinforce the productive outlook. Capital formation in 2025 focused on machinery, technology, and infrastructure rather than speculative real estate expansion. This trend is expected to continue into 2026 as investors prioritize efficiency, automation, and energy reliability. Public and private investment increasingly targets productivity-enhancing assets, supporting long-term growth rather than short-lived construction booms. External trade conditions remain a key factor, but Vietnam's diversified export markets mitigate risk. While global demand growth is moderate, Vietnam's ability to supply competitively priced, reliable goods sustains export volumes and margins. Productivity gains help offset global price pressures, allowing exporters to remain competitive without compressing profits excessively. Institutional and policy stability also underpin productivity. Regulatory predictability, trade facilitation, and investment incentives reduce operational friction for businesses. Incremental reforms continue to improve licensing, taxation efficiency, and digital governance, lowering compliance costs and improving overall economic efficiency. In summary, Vietnam Economy Productive 2026 reflects an economic structure that emphasizes efficiency, stability, and sustainable expansion. GDP growth remains solid, unemployment stays low, interest rates are supportive, inflation is controlled, and public debt is manageable. Productivity gains stem from manufacturing sophistication, service sector efficiency, disciplined macroeconomic management, and targeted investment. While global conditions remain uncertain, Vietnam's ability to convert resources into consistent output growth positions it as a productive economy entering 2026 with resilience and structural strength rather than fragility. Vietnam enters 2026 with an economic profile defined by productivity resilience, structural efficiency, and sustained momentum despite global uncertainty. The period from 2025 to 2026 reflects an economy that continues to optimize output through manufacturing strength, export competitiveness, labor utilization, and macroeconomic stability. The concept of a productive economy in Vietnam is anchored in its ability to convert investment, labor, and policy coordination into consistent growth while maintaining cost, discipline, and competitiveness across sectors. The GDP annual growth rate illustrates this productivity trend. For more data-driven insights and global market breakdowns, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay informed, stay ahead. This is Economics FX, where clarity meets strategy. Until next time, trade smart.